I think anybody who's going to be using vaccines in the future, particularly in the developing world, will use this invention.
My name is Ross Tsakas, and I'm the founder and president of Eulysis UK Limited. Currently, a number of vaccines are produced, transported, and stored in 2 vials, one containing the liquid phase, the other containing the dry phase. It's similar to the way instant coffee is made. The dry powder of the coffee needs to be mixed with the water in order to make it the end substance of coffee that we like to drink. Our idea differs from this because it enables both phases to exist within a single vial. This part would contain the liquid phase, and in the cup compartment would be the dry phase. And quite simply, when you depress it, this red piston on the top activates the solution, which can then just be withdrawn by the syringe and injected into the patient as needed. This is significant because when you're producing, you can use half the raw materials as compared to the current technology. The main concept behind this is that you have the potential to save possibly twice as many lives just by reducing the storage burden. If you can imagine a refrigerator in a remote location that could only house 1,000 vaccines, it can now hold 2,000 vaccines. And that could mean the difference between saving 2,000 lives as opposed to 1,000 lives. I don't think the business would have materialized or evolved as quickly as it has without being in Scotland. I grew up in Greece and in America, and I came to Scotland 3 years ago to commence my postgraduate studies. In a lot of other countries, it's difficult to get to the people you need to talk to, but in Scotland, people actually volunteer their time, and a lot of people have gone above and beyond that, such as my advisors.
BPSRC have put in some sort of international collaboration.
I've been very fortunate to receive support from organizations such as the Royal Society of Edinburgh, the Prince's Trust, and most recently through the Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation. The Prince's Trust has provided me the funding and business support and advice that I needed. Having somebody like the Gates Foundation or the Prince's Trust endorsing you opens the doors where a lot of people would never pay attention to a young entrepreneur.
I'm really excited by Ross and the business he's developing here. It's beyond just the eureka moment. He's actually taken it, developed it, and you feel you can engage with somebody who's serious about what they're trying to do.
Most of the projects involving inventions in the biotechnology area fail in the initial stages. We've got past the invention stage, and he's now going through the preclinical trial stage. So it's very impressive that he's managed to do this at his age.
I'd say I'm a bit of an inventor, a bit of an entrepreneur, a bit of a secretary, and pretty much everything in between. It does feel a bit strenuous and like you're under a lot of pressure, but on the other hand, I kind of keep the focus by realizing that what I'm doing might actually have a great impact. I know it's every business's objective to make money, but it would mean the world to me to see the impact of the device actually helping people where they're in most need.